So what's the magic of this policy? Right? What's so magical about it? When you think about it this way, when you look at that compound interest curve, right, there's nothing magical about it. 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, nothing. But once you get to that 10th year, 15th year, 20th year, you're depositing, let's say $10,000, it turns into 15. You write a check for 10,000, it turns into 20. So when this thing has a chance to take off, the growth is astronomical. There's nothing on the planet that can do this with your money. People, most savers, most business owners, most entrepreneurs, what they do is when they have cash, they're paying cash for everything. They're save, pay cash. Save, pay cash. They're always resetting that compound interest curve, so it never has a chance to take off. So that's the magic of the policy. You're putting your money somewhere where every day the money gets better and better, and it has uninterrupted compounding of interest. Okay, uninterrupted compounding of interest. That's the magic of the policy. Plan up.